Hey everyone, I'm the chair of the board for a nonprofit organization called Young CEOs and Leaders. This organization allows young people to learn how to become entrepreneurs and how to start their own business. About 3 months ago, I met Anthony Boyce with Kutkonnect. The purpose of our meeting was for him to redesign the website for the young CEOs and leaders. Our old website was one that was boring. It was one that did not draw individuals. It was one that was hard to maneuver. And so we knew that in order for us to reach the young people as well as other individuals, that we needed to do something with our website. So Anthony was the right person. He met with us several times. One thing that I really liked about Mr. Boyce is that when he met with us, he had many questions to ask because he wanted to be sure that he knew what our organization was all about, what our vision is. And so he did that by meeting with us several times. When meeting with him, I could just feel his passion. I could feel that he was really interested in what we were all about. It was not just about business for him, but it was truly about learning about our organization and knowing what it is that we were seeking as far as coming up with a better website. So during our meetings, we shared with him everything that we wanted. He was very, very patient. He allowed us to share not only our story, but our photos, the videos, anything that was related to our organization. He wanted to have that information because he wanted to incorporate it into this particular website so that it could serve our purpose. We have been very happy with Mr. Boyce. He has taken everything that we've given him, along with his passion and with his expertise. He has turned it into a website that I would be very pleased for anyone to visit. It is a website that is interactive. It is very interesting. It has beautiful colors. He's incorporated our photos, our videos, and the stories of the children and the families that we serve. So with this new website, we're very confident that we're going to be able to bring more people into our organization so that we can help these young people to find their passion and to use their strengths in order to do what it is that they desire to do in order to be successful. I strongly recommend Kutkonnect. This is a business that is, again, very spiritual. It is one that is based on passion from the owner, and it is one that is based on his expertise. He is very gifted in the area of technology. In addition to the website, we do hope to collaborate with Mr. Boyce in the future to take it even much further, where he can create courses for us and he can create various things using technology that can make sure that we are serving the needs of our individuals and our families. Another reason that we are so proud and so happy of our website is that we know we will be able to attract business partners because we need to get funding. We need to make sure that we have the support of individuals who can provide us with the financial support so that we can, again, be sure that our organization is serving the needs of all of the students and the families that are in the Midlands area. So, again, I would highly recommend Kutkonnect. I think that you too will be pleased, just as we are, because Mr. Boyce is very dedicated to what he does, and he knows how to take something that is not working and turn it into something that is phenomenal. So again, please consider Kutkonnect. You will be happy as we are. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Big Kim I Am of Big Kim I Am Productions, and Anthony Boyce provided me with some amazing solutions. As a content creator who's also a producer, writer, actor, and musician, I used to always say I'm just 2 pieces away from the perfect squad. I needed a grant writer and a developer. Well, after meeting Anthony about 1.5 years ago, I can confidently say all I need now is a grant writer. I was connected to Anthony through a mutual when I was looking to launch a website. But the solutions that were provided along with the website were above and beyond anything I had even thought of. I then came back to him this year with a dual expansion project for the website. And once again, he knocked it out the park. And we're about a month out from launch, so I can't really speak on it. But what I will say is if you're on the market for any type of web-based solutions, Anthony Boyce is the man for the job. Is the man for the job.
Hi, I'm Alexis, owner of So Sweet Academy. Before working with Anthony, I was having a really hard time with my Go High Level system. I was actually under another agency and I just wasn't getting the support that I needed. I was not able to quickly get things answered and basically learn the system the way I needed to learn it. My biggest struggles were with my workflows, my automations, my websites. So without having those in the right order and even organized, it just was a big jumbled mess. I didn't have any kind of direction as to how I would run my personal business. A majority of those things like the automations and my workflows, the main problems those were causing, my system, it wasn't necessarily speaking to each other, and my email was going to spam a lot of times because it just wasn't set up correctly before Anthony came in and helped me straighten everything out with that. The solution to all of this was Anthony sat down with me. We went website by website, workflow by workflow, automation by automation, and figured out what needed to go, what needed to stay, and also how we needed to rename them to make them make sense so that it could be easier to recall. Also with my email, he went in and explained a lot of things that needed to happen so that I could start sending out emails and not worry about them go into the spam folders or promotion folders when I'm contacting my clients. My experience now that my situation with Go High Level has been resolved, it's a lot easier. It's a lot better when it comes to me navigating my own websites, my own back-end office. And as a matter of fact, I was able to migrate to my own agency. So now I can get the support that I need directly from the Go High Level rather than going through another agency or getting outside help, which would take a little longer. So Anthony helped me with the setup after I migrated it because I needed to know exactly what needed to be connected. The best part of working with Anthony was the one-on-one support. So a lot of times we were able to hop on a call and I could lay out all of my questions. I could go through screen by screen with him and he explained everything to me as he was organizing a lot of my workflows and the automations. I definitely recommend getting help from Anthony. He was very thorough, he was very responsive, able to get everything fixed and worked out so that my system, my business ran the way I want it to run so that I can focus more on the creative side rather than focusing on the parts that escaped me, which was the tech systems.
My name is Aaron Grimes, and I am one of the owners of a digital marketing agency known as Innova Media. Prior to engaging with Kutkonnect, Innova Media did not have any automation systems in place. And the pain point that this caused us was to essentially spend a lot of time doing mundane tasks, and that took away from us doing the tasks that matter the most towards our clients. And it also caused us to put a cap on the amount of clients we were able to take on. So the solution was to implement automation for Innova Media. And ever since we've decided to do that through Kutkonnect, we've saved so much time, and we're able to actually take on more clients as a result of that as well. So the automation ranges from many things. To us, it's very important to use the scheduling within the Kutkonnect system. It's also nice to have one centralized area where we can see a lot of the messages, emails, chats, and it's just an all-around well-built system that saves us a lot of time. The best part I would say about working with Kutkonnect is not even the platform, even though it's a great platform, it's the person behind Kutkonnect, Anthony. He is such a warm-spirited individual, and you can tell that he really cares about you as a person. He cares about your business, and he genuinely wants to see you win, to the extent that he gave us a lot of free advice along the process as well. We wouldn't be where we were today if it were not for his help and input, and we greatly appreciate that. He has what I would describe as a golden heart. He makes sure that you win, and he genuinely wants you to win. And he always makes sure to check in on us as well. So we heavily appreciate that about his personality, and he's the right type of person that we'd engage in business with, given his warm heart. And for that reason, I'd recommend the Kutkonnect platform and Anthony as well as an individual for anyone in business that is looking to up their level, but also maintain a good relationship with a great person. So that's it for me.